Hey guys, this is your boy Bhavik. Welcome to my channel by Encoder, and today we will create a piano tiles bot. So you know what piano tiles is, I know what piano tiles is. So let's get to work. So here we are on the VS Code, and for this project we will need to import some modules. For this we will give this command in the terminal, which will import us the part GUI, keyboard, pywin32 and OpenCV Python. So let's hit enter. It will install all the files for you. Now let's start the code. We will start with importing all the modules we will be using in this video. So let's import them all. We will need py2gui, keyboard, time, and win32 API and win32 con. So let's create a while true loop because we continuously need to check for that tile. But before that, we need to get the location of where the tile will come on the screen. So let's first start. So for to get the location, we will do py AutoGUI dot position py dot position for true, and we will print it in the console. Print and we will now run it. Now the application is printing down the location of where my mouse is right now. So we will hover over this place, and you can see that the x position is 668. So I will take the numbers. So I will comment this and we'll say 6x is equals to 660 pixels, and the y is equals to I will take 500 and the y is equals to 500. So we'll keep 500 same for all 4 locations. So now we have the coordinates of our location where we need to check the color. So when we are running this code, the code will never stop if you will give it true, and maybe your computer will crash. So for that we will do keyboard dot is pressed, and we will pass in space in here, and if it is equals to false, then run the while loop or stop. And for that we will create if else if statements, and to check the color on some position we will say py auto GUI dot pixel and pass in location that we found, that is 660 and 500, and this will give us the color, and we will say if that color equals to 0 0 0, then click on it. So we will afterwards create a click function. Why I said 0 0 0, because this command returns us the color in RGB, and the black color which we see, the pure black color, is 0 0 0 in RGB. So if it is equals to 0 0 0, if it is black colored, then click on, and we will pass in the place XY coordinates. it is not in the default module, so we will create a function that is click on, and it will x and y, and after it is called, what it will do is set the cursor position. So for that we will do win32 API dot set cursor position, and we will pass in x comma y inside the brackets, and then the second thing will be we need to click on it. So win32 API dot mouse event, the mouse event will be 32 API dot mouse, I'll say in caps lock, mouse event f left down, and then after this we will wait for some time. So time dot wait, and we will pass in time in lowercase, so dot wait for 0.1 second, and then here we are pressing the button, left button, and here we will leave the left button, so left up, and at the both places we will pass in 0 0. I will do this a multiple times, for 4 times. One, two, three, 4. Nice. And here 760, 860, and 950, right? And here it will be 950. So we are putting in the values here and here same, which are for 4 rows. And now let's run the code once and go to our site, that is this lag.com, and we will play the game. And now let's see that it works or not. So as you can see, it goes there, but it is not clicking. Maybe there are some problems here as win32 API, but we want it to be win32 con, and there was one more silly mistake here. I wrote wait, but it is sleep. Now try it once more. Now let's started, and now it will work, I'm sure. Here it is, it clicked the first tile, second, third, fourth, and it is now working really fine. And now I will hit the space bar, and now I will hit the space bar, and the code will stop running. So here you go, guys, you just created a piano tiles bot, and this will play the piano tiles game for you forever and never stop. So if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.